Alright, hello. We're going to show you a really cool trick today. This is a combination of two things. One is Paul Harris suspension with a box, and this is a Bill Goodwin, Ray Kosby bit. I love this. It's a really cool effect. Your setup is you have the box, and you have the ace of clubs tucked under the cellophane. That's so you'll be able to show the box empty and then produce it, right? At the end, you say it gets stuck in the vacuum cleaner. You then put a two of clubs inside the box, face up. You then tuck in one flap, which is the right one, and leave the left one out. Okay. Now you can hold the box. Everything looks copacetic. Everything looks clean, right? Now when you show them the three, what you're going to do, the secret move is, see exposed, is you're going to secretly put that underneath the double like that. You just squeeze it underneath there. So it'll actually attach. That will just look like you set this on here. It won't look like anything when you practice this. You talk about, you used to be a vacuum cleaner salesman before you're a magician. You press the start button, right? You can make the sound effects. Move it up and down like a vacuum cleaner. You then hold it like this, and what will happen is, because of the flap being tucked in there, right? There's the secret there, right? Because of that flap, what's going to happen is it's going to give you the illusion. See, it'll give you the illusion of this trick really doesn't suck, right? It gives the illusion that it sticks there. So just with the two fingers and thumb, then you can look, you can turn it almost all the way upside down. It's really cool. I like this. Then I take this off, right? Now when you take this off, you're going to from back here, watch what's going to happen. Okay, what I'm going to do is I'm going to tuck this in, right? I just push it in with my thumb. That's the secret move there. And then I'm going to flip over the box. Now with my thumb here, they don't really know that your thumb's actually going to tuck in, and it's actually going to pull this out, because you're going to show this card, right? And you're showing the vacuum cleaner, right? There's the secret move there. You're just going to attach it. Your pinky's holding it in place as you pop this up again. So it looks like you just set it back down. Now this is actually a 2, but your pinky's going to cover that up, right? So this is actually coming out of the box. If you can see this, right? It's coming out of the box. So we'll do that again so you can see it looks very clean. From an exposed angle. You're here, your pinky and this finger will hold it as you set this down. It just looks like you set it back down, right? Shouldn't look like anything. Because see, from here, you say, look, there's the special buttons. Press the button, make a vacuum cleaner sound. And now what happens is this is actually coming out of the case, and then it'll actually change. You can see the 3 of clubs pip there, right? It's very visual. And then it'll actually come out of the box, and then you can just looks like it sucks right up. Then I thumb this off, turning that over. Now I show this empty. I say it's stuck inside the vacuum cleaner, right? Isn't that clean? But actually it's inside the flap, and then you just say, well, press this button right here. You can have them press it and reset, and you say there's the missing pip. So I hope you like that. That's our tutorial for today. Thank you very much. Enjoy.